Tim at Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester, and I'm here to show you a little bit more of this 3008 SUV. Now, this particular car features a couple of extras: the full leather interior, which features the electric adjust driver seat, 2 memory function and heated front and driver and passenger seats. Also the advanced grip control with hill descent as well, so keep yourself winter ready. So let's have a closer look. There you have it, a stunning looking car with some key little extra features. And if you think that a pre-registered car with these bits of kit on would suit you, then pick up the phone or pop down and see us at Howard's in Dorchester on 01305 266 066. Thank you.